Gather cuff A and cuff B. Fold cuff B in half with wrong sides together. Fold in half again, this time leaving 1/2 inch at the top. Separate the very bottom layer from the rest of the stack and then flip it down, pinching onto the stack to keep it in place. Trim off any excess from piece A so that piece A and B are the same size. With right sides together, place piece A on top of piece B and then sew down both sides. You will now flip your mitt right side out. You should have your fold-over mitt on the outside. Now turn your cuff so that the fold-over part is on the inside. It is now ready to sew onto the sleeve.